If you would like to make some changes to any of the turquoise rings, you can check out Lashbrook's Wedding Ring Builder. With the ring builder, you can change the metal type to another alternative metal or to a precious metal. You can change the profile. Flat, domed, and beveled are the most popular, but others are available. You can also change the width of the ring or the width of the inlay. And of course, you can change the finish. Polished and satin are the most popular, but I think bead and sand always look great and give the ring a unique look. For detailed information on how to use the ring builder and determine the price, visit the link below. Of course, keep watching this video to check out some more changes. And thank you very much for visiting Unique Titanium Wedding Rings.